Hello friends, today let us see how to prepare Chettinattu Pala Payasam. This is a mixed fruit dessert and this is served in many occasions including weddings in my native place. This is an all-time favorite for kids and elders in my family. Hope you will also enjoy this recipe. Here are the ingredients listed for 4 servings. We can add any fruit of our choice for this recipe. They need to be de-seeded. And if we are adding pineapple and bananas, we need to make sure that we add it just before serving. Add 5 almonds and 5 whole cashews in one bowl. And add 1 tablespoon of raw rice. And wash it and soak it in hot water for 20 to 25 minutes. Now peel the almonds and add all these nuts and the rice together in a mixie jar and grind it into a coarse mixture. It need not be very fine, it can be slightly coarse. Now take a thick bottom pan and add 2 cups of milk, preferably whole milk, as this gives better flavor and rich texture to the dessert. Add the nuts and rice mixture to this milk and mix it thoroughly and bring it to a boil. Allow it to boil until the rice is well cooked. This might take at least about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring frequently so that the nuts or the rice do not get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Once the milk starts to boil, turn the stove to medium or low medium heat. Now mix 1 tablespoon of custard powder in 1 tablespoon of milk and add it to this boiling milk. Typically we add vanilla flavored custard powder for this recipe, but mango flavor also goes very well. So I have added mango flavor now. After adding the custard powder, you will see that the milk gets thicker further. So keep stirring it frequently and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it thoroughly and allow it to cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. Now turn off the heat and allow the milk to cool off completely. Now we can add the cut fruits to this milk mixture. Make sure that you cut apples and bananas just before adding it to the milk, otherwise they change color quickly. So I have added bananas, apples, grapes, pomegranates and mango here. If you prefer, you can add pineapple as well, but then make sure you add it just before serving as it could change the taste of the dessert. Note that I have added around 1/4 cup of each of the fruits. Now refrigerate this for at least 2 hours before serving. Chettinattu Pala Payasam is now ready. You can serve it as it is or use as a topping on ice creams and enjoy. You can add saffron, cardamom powder and chironji nuts or sara paruppu to add more flavor to this recipe. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Please do give your feedback in the comment section and thank you for watching this video. See you soon again.